wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best engine model kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Wooden City V8 is different from most in that it's not made of the usual metal or plastic. It comes packaged attractively in a box also made from wood, giving the whole kit a solid high-quality feel. No glue is required and it can be finished in about 2 hours. However, it is more puzzle than model. At number 9, you'll know you've built the Trends UK Haynes V8 correctly the moment you hear its throaty ignition sound. Then you can sit back and watch the illuminated spark plugs flash as this built-to-scale motor fires away. It includes multiple chrome-plated pieces and an automatic shut-off, but the timing belt could be better quality. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Steam engines may not be that common today, but they were a revolutionary technology when first invented. The wilesco D5 takes you back to their glory days and illustrates the principles by which these mechanical marvels worked. It doesn't require any soldering and can be up and running in just a few minutes, though the tiny screws make assembly somewhat difficult. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for engine model kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Haynes Build Your Own is a diminutive 4-cylinder internal combustion model. Its see-through plastic housing allows you to watch all the inner workings. It makes realistic ignition sounds and is easy enough for most kids to build alone, but it feels flimsier than many. Moving up our list to number 6, this handsome elenker mini hot air stirling is not only amusing and relatively easy to build and operate, but it looks great as a decoration. The basic design makes it a good introduction to mechanical engineering. It also works as a cool paperweight and is powered by heat. It's got non-skid foot pads on the base. Halfway up our list at number 5, a reissue of a classic kit many enthusiasts enjoyed when they were kids. The Atlantis Allison prop jet features moving parts in 4 distinct colors. It's an accurate representation of the real thing, having been adapted from the actual Allison blueprints. It includes updated decals and is 16 inches long when complete. It's made in the United States. At number 4, with the Porsche 911 Flat 6, you can create your very own quarter-scale model of the motor that powers one of the world's most recognizable high-performance automobiles. This comprehensive kit includes more than 280 components. It runs on AA batteries and includes written and diagrammatic directions. It's suitable for ages 10 and up. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a classic example of muscle car machinery from the swinging 60s. The Ford 1965 Mustang V8 is made to exacting standards that should satisfy gearheads. It comes with a collector's manual full of interesting history, archive material, color photos, and more. It features a transparent casing, a spinning cooling fan, and authentic first-generation sounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for engine model kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, with high-quality components made from nickel-plated carbon steel, the djuiinostar low temperature will serve as an attractive display for years to come. It's relatively simple to assemble and makes a great teaching tool for kids and adults alike. The flywheel can rotate for half an hour, and this one's a good introductory build. It meets multiple safety regulations. And coming in at number 1 on our list, biking enthusiasts can create a working version of the flat twin engine that powered the iconic BMW R90S motorcycle with the franzis boxermotor. This comprehensive 200-piece option features components that clip and screw together, so there's no need for adhesive. It boasts sparks simulated by LED lights, a detailed 5-speed gearbox, and parts that move like the original. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for engine model kits, or simply click beneath this video.